Hi everyone, it's Kat from The Physical Evolution and thank you for joining me for another Monday Makeover video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Ayurvedic dry skin brushing and why I love it so much. Now, I posted a video in 2016 already talking about Ayurvedic dry skin brushing. I'm going to link to it over here for you. This video that I posted kind of details more about the how, so it shows you exactly how you should go about doing the whole dry brushing technique. So I urge you to watch that video after this so that you can get the technique down and see for yourself how you can apply this in your daily life. But for today I just want to talk to you a little bit about why I love it so much and a bit more about the how as well. So Ayurvedic dry skin brushing is a really ancient technique of self-care. I think it's called Gashana, which effectively translates as dry skin brushing if I'm not mistaken. Basically what it is taking a natural bristled brush, so a brush made out of natural bristles. I like this one because it fits so perfectly into my hand with this little handle. I got it from Clicks in South Africa. I know they do have them at Discam. I know you can probably find them at any pharmacy or drugstore or maybe even supermarkets, health stores, body shop, that sort of place. And using this dry brush, you brush your skin, your entire body from head to toe, actually from toe to head, when you get up in the morning. So it's a practice that I make use of as regularly as possible. I do, like I said in my initial post, I sometimes ebb and flow between being really consistent at it and forgetting to do it or just not having the time. And when I do practice it a lot, I really notice the difference in my skin. So the reasons why I want to dry skin brush, first of all, I mean, we've always got loads of dead flaky skin on our bodies and we exfoliate our faces, so we obviously need to exfoliate our bodies as well. Remembering that the skin is the largest organ in the body and it needs as much care as your cardiovascular system, as your lungs, as your digestive system, all of those sort of things. So we do put a lot of emphasis on our faces and maybe our necks and our décolleté, but the rest of our body also needs attention too. So that is the first thing, obviously, just to exfoliate the body and to just get rid of all of the dead skin and the dry skin. But in doing the whole dry brushing technique, you stimulate your circulation, and you'll notice that the moment you start doing it, because your skin just feels so tingly afterwards. It'll probably go a little bit red or it'll change color, and that'll obviously settle down after time as well. But your body just feels alive after doing it. It's the most incredible way to wake up in the morning. So instead of going straight to the coffee machine and making a coffee, I urge you to give this a try. So I've made this a part of my morning ritual. It's always been a part of my morning ritual, but like I said, sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. But I'm kind of back into it now again as we're getting into the summer months in South Africa. And it's just such a wonderful way to just say, hi, this is the new day, wake up body, I'm giving you a little bit of love, I'm giving you some attention, and waking up your skin, waking up your circulation, just like reviving yourself and invigorating yourself and getting everything going again. I think as well that it definitely does improve the appearance of like wobbly bits and, you know, dimples and all of that sort of thing. I'm not going to claim that it is a cure for cellulite. I can never say that, because if I do, someone's going to shoot me in the head when they realize that it's not, or when it doesn't work for them. But for me personally, when I do this on a regular basis, I definitely notice that my body has a better glow to it. It just feels and looks smoother and it looks healthier. So the whole process of dry brushing, you start at the soles of your feet and you work your way up your body, and you work always towards your heart. So if you're working on your arms, you work this way towards your heart. If you're working on your neck and your chest, then you're working down. So obviously when you're working on your legs, you're working all the way up your legs like this. You start on the soles of your feet, you move up to your lower legs, your thighs, your bum, and it's best to just do it with no clothes on. You get your dry brush, take off your pajamas. If you sleep naked, perfect. You just get your dry brush and you just get going in the morning. And you can even just spend 5 minutes doing it. The strangest thing is that every single time I do it in the morning, so thirsty by the end of it, and I really feel that that's just because I've now stimulated all of this activity in my body. I've woken myself up, and now I need to replenish and re-energize and kind of move forward into the day. So I do my dry brushing, and then I have a nice huge tall glass of water, and that's me getting going for the day. And you'll find how it totally shifts you into like a really good space, because you've started the day with self-love and self-care. You've started the day by stimulating energy and action in your body, and you've started the day connecting to yourself and just doing something for yourself. So I think it's a really, really good habit to get into. I'm going to link the other video of how to do it, you know, the actual process from start to finish. I think it's a good 5 to 6 minute video, so it's not too long to watch. I'm going to link it below as well. If you're watching on Instagram, you wouldn't have got the link prompt earlier, but I will link it in the comments below. Same on Facebook. I hope that it helps you. I hope that you can add this practice to your day for self-love and self-care and optimal health and longevity, and just for feeling good about your body and feeling good about the skin that you're in. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this. If you do it for yourself, is there any other thing that we could add to the practice? Oh, the other good thing as well is, so a lot of people, I tend to shower at night, but a lot of people actually do the dry skin brushing, then hop into the shower, finish off with a really, really icy cold shower, and then obviously slather some kind of delicious body butter or oil all over their bodies. For me, because I'm already up and at 'em, I just, after I finish dry skin brushing, I put a nice thick body butter all over my body and just feel amazing. So I hope that you can get some benefit out of this practice. Let me know if you do. I would love to connect with you. Have a wonderful rest of your Monday, and I will chat to you again soon. Bye bye.